expect the best from this month because it is a Vlogmas month. Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel once again. I am King K and I'm so excited to be here with you. It is a blessed month, of course. Today is the first day of December 2024 and man, expect the best from this month because it is a Vlogmas month. Each and every day I'll be dropping a video, one or two maybe. And yes, so expect content after content because Vlogmas kicks off today on the 1st of December to the 24th. You can stretch it until 31st. Yes, because initially Vlogmas, or the person who started this Vlogmas theme is she did a video from the first day of December to the 24th. Yes, but that it doesn't restrict to that. So let's get going this month. I hope you will be fine. You'll enjoy these videos. Expect stories. I will be giving stories. I'll be reviewing different things, even the year. I'll also review how my 2024 was, and yes, so this I want to make it one of a kind vlogmas for at least to keep up with the pace for 24 days from today until the 24th of this month. I want to be consistent, and whereby I want also to involve you in each and every video, whereby I'll be doing some of your ideas, whereby you send me somewhere, you send me somewhere to do something for you, and I do the video, I make the video, I give it to you, you review with me, and Yeah, so expect so much from me to you, because again, I would not have been here without you guys watching, subscribing, commenting, and also sharing these my sharing videos and also idea. I really appreciate you guys for everything that you've done. You've done so much for me, and I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. And because it is on a Sunday, of course, I have to go to church, be thankful for life and to the Lord, and just give thanks and everything. So let's get going. Yeah. December is all about good vibes, with the good times we're having all together. Remember to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe to this channel for amazing videos, vlogmas this month. This is just the beginning. I have a lot more to give you. Yeah, and also feel free to give suggestions of what you want. And yeah, let's meet in the next video.